Please smile. Smile. That's really good. And before we start, well, a small ceremony of introduction. Kindly introduce yourself, and I would like to know that you are from which faculty, from what you are doing. It will help me to understand, and I'll make up my mind to deliver the goods according to your requirement. Right? Shall we start, madam, with you? Please introduce yourself. Your name.
My name is Padu.
Right? But still we are in the same subject. I told you I am going to change the subject today. But change means a little bit change. Once we finish this, we will come back on the same subject again. Now my main problem that this subject is full of practical. Right? And the number of participants today, quite a few number have come. Otherwise there is quite a big number. They come around 30-40 people. But unfortunately, only Mumbai come forward for all practical. So this time I thought to give him some break. देखो मैच में तेंदुलकर को break देते हैं ना. So he covered Tendulkar and he needs break. So today we will not have any practical, only a talk. So shall we start? Shall we start? Right. Friends, what is the meaning of life? The word life. And please remember, don't ask any spelling to doctor. You know why? Because we are very poor in spelling. Right. That is secret, no? All trade secret. Now see, meaning of life means we have to live a life. Right. How long we are going to live? God knows. Depending on our breath. Okay? Everything is computer program, everything is well decided. Now what we need to live a healthy, happy, harmonious, peaceful life? You need a good air, you need water, you need good food. What else we need? What else we need? Right? What else? Since you are banker, we need money also. Right? To live a happy and peaceful life. Right? If RBI is not there, we cannot live our life without money. Right? I can see a passbook in your pocket. So, we need number of things. But have ever we thought that we need something more than that? Now, sometimes we need medicine also to live a life. We need good air. So first of all, we should know how to breathe in and how to breathe out. If that is harmonious, if that is perfect, then some of the disease can be controlled. But that we do not know. Probably in coming time, we are going to talk on this subject also, the systematic rhythmic breathing, taught by the great Saint Tawariyaji. How many of you have heard Tawariyaji's name? Right, we follow this practice. Do you follow that 3 steps? Good, good. I am so happy. So happy. Please keep it up. So we'll be talking on that later on, not today. But there is one very interesting and beautiful thing which we need today our life in a harmonic and a peaceful way. We need a color also. Right? Color. Color is a very important aspect of our life. Now here, today you have to go to a very big meeting and you choose a dress which you like. Then you behave in a very smart way in a meeting. But the dress which doesn't like you and you have to wear because your that dhobi has not delivered it, and you have to wear the dress which you don't like. Even though you are smart, but you will not be comfortable in that meeting. Hota hai na aise? When you go and buy some new trousers or new dress, how will you react? Oh, upar ka nahi ho, niche ka do, dusra nikal ke do, because your body has a hunger of that color. And that color dress when you wear, you feel very smart. Of course, you are all smart, but you feel more comfortable. Like that, we need so many things in our life. We need a color. Now color, also we are going to talk in much details. What are the color? How they are going to help us? What are the disease we can cure with what color? Right? We will be talking in very much detail subject to your cooperation and your permission. Right? And if you feel that I am boring you, I am breaking your head, then kindly please tell me. I will not feel it bad. Okay? Right? Now see, today we are going to talk on a very interesting subject. Again, this subject is very, very deep subject. I'll introduce you to the subject today, And if you like, the next time we'll go in much detail about this subject, right? Now the subject is very, very interesting, and the subject was innovated somewhere in 1928 by Dr. Schussler. He was a very great physician, and he had a knowledge about this thing. How he have innovated this subject. See, child is born, now grown up, and then again the time comes to go back. ठीक है, सबको जाना है. And when a man or human being passes away, then usually in our country we burn it. We burn the body. Then he did a lot of research that after burning what you get. Then he came to a conclusion that we get 12 different tissues. 12 different tissues. So these are known as a tissue salt. So we are going to talk today on about 12 different tissue salts, how they are useful to our body in day-to-day life, right? It is known as a tissue salt remedy. There are only 12 medicines, and I would request you to study this in much details. Many things out of 100. Out of 100, you can cover 120 diseases with only tissue salt. And these remedies are quite safe, like flower remedy, which will not trouble you, but which will definitely give you good results. So shall we start? About tissue salt, right? If there is any question, note down in your diary. When the session is over, you can confirm the answer from me, right? Okay, now, this is probably one of the very, very important system of treatment. There are more than 300 systems available today in the world for treatment, like allopathic, homeopathy, flower remedy. They are all pathics. But Swami Shivananda quoted a very beautiful paragraph in one of the book that you try all the pathy. You try homeopathy, not working. Try allopathy, not working. Try acupuncturopathy. Try all the pathy. When no pathy work, only one pathy work, that is known as namopathy. Namo यानी भगवान का नाम. Right, that is the best remedy available today. Now see, probably it is one of the best remedy. They give very simple to practice, and today this is coming up like anything. In our country also, now many people they practice this. I teach this subject in the college in last many years, and today also we have started reviving this subject in a college in a bit different way. So I am just going to introduce you this in a modern way what we teach today in the college. It is simple but very accurate. Now here, the results are very astounding. Results are quite interesting, quite important results, and this therapy is not much expensive. Today we need a therapy which should not be very expensive. Okay? Before we start, a small request. If you are going to take down the note, then write down the margin. If any of your known person is suffering from the disease what we are going to talk, write down his name on the margin. Are you catching me? Why? So that you can reconcile, and it will help you to remember fast. So use your margin, you write down the name. For example, when we talk about bone, and if you know that somebody is known to you having any bone problem, write down his or her name in the margin. So by mistake, if you are going to refer your note, it will help you to understand. Okay, and try to always take a keyword. Once you know how to catch a keyword, it will be very helpful to you to remember it. Okay. Now, the salt can change your life. These are very precious to health. It will change mood, thinking pattern, health, your behavior and everything. Now, 80% problem comes in the body because of emotional disturbances. Right? What are the emotional disturbances? Number one is anger. Anger is our very good friend. Right? All like ATM. जब भी चाहिए तभी आता है, free of charge ना. Anger, no need to wait. Anytime it is available, free of charge. मांगता है उतना ले जाओ. आता है ना, गुस्सा आता है ना. Our good friend. Right. Now, friction of second, anger can do a lot of damage to our body. Number one, it will damage this area. And then we have to wake up. The neck will become stiff, you cannot move your neck. Then we have to go remove X-ray, and then doctor will advise us to wear the collar for supporting. ठीक है? अभी collar लगा के घूमना है. अभी घर में कुत्ता पाला तो collar लगाते हैं कि नहीं कुत्ते को. Now here let us decide if we want to become a donkey or a kutta, or we want to control our anger. So these are the emotional disturbances which can also be comfortably taken care by this remedy. Now tissue salts are very good even for a small ailment to a major ailments, including cancer, age, everything, right? I'm going to introduce you, if you like, then in detail, right? today's session is over, I would expect feedback from you that whether you like it and whether you like to go in details. The next time we'll go in much detail. If you didn't like it, right, we'll not continue. Now in 21st century,